What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aminette back with another video. So today is gonna be a wig review. So today, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a wig review. I've been waiting so long, like I was like, I'm not gonna open. I was gonna open it, but I was like, I ain't gonna open it. But let me tell y'all, like, this is like my second wig. So we finna see. No, what I'm talking about. This is my first wig review. That's what I need to say. This is my first wig review, so bear with me if I miss some stuff. But today I'm gonna be reviewing Yyong Hair. No, this review is not sponsored. I'm just bored. So, yeah. This is what it came in. It just came in its bag. So, we finna just open it. Finally. Like, finally. Okay. I really hope and pray. We're gonna see what comes in the bag. Okay, so it's nothing in here. It comes in this really cute bag. Yo! Okay. Yo, that was mad hard for no reason. So, there is a card. It's just a card with, like, you know, the company name, their website, all that stuff. Their email. It has hair care, tells you what not to do to the hair and what to do to the hair. So yeah, make sure you read that. Okay, so you get 2 wig caps. It says 2 pieces, so wig cap. Okay. Before I take out the wig, let me tell y'all some background about the wig first. So I got a 20-inch Malaysian bodyweight. I got a 20-inch Malaysian bodyweight wig, 13x6 lace front, because you know I like my natural. Okay, next. The next is the density. So I got 150 density. So let's see. My last wig, I got a wig off of Amazon, y'all, and it was like 176. I paid $143 for this wig right here. $143. So that wig was okay. I probably just got a bad wig. I don't know, cause I read the reviews and reviews were good. I don't know, but that wig didn't last me long. It was shedding a lot, and I just had a really bad experience with my first wig. Like, it was terrible. So we gonna see how this go. And the other one said it was like 130 density. The wig I got from Amazon. This one is 150. So I don't even know if that was the right density for that wig, honestly. So we just gonna see. Okay, so the only thing left in here is the wig. I'm so excited. Okay, so it tells you as soon as you take it out, 20 inches, Yyong Hair, boom, 13x6 lace front, period. Ooh, she feels thick already. Maybe it's just the net. Let me relax. Let's take that out. Okay, so it has comb. It has a comb in the middle. A comb in the middle. 2 combs on the side and 1 comb like in the nape. It also comes with adjustable straps, so if you got a big head, little head, you can make it fit your head whatever size your head is. This looked like a 13x6 lace to me, so I'm happy with that. Let's take it out the net. Ooh, she says, "Sis, I'm coming out." Okay, so this is supposed to be 20 inches. Hold on. Okay. Didn't do that sound. Y'all. They said it wasn't gonna be no shedding, y'all. And strip after strip, it's shedding. I don't know. Okay. It feels alright. Honestly and truly, the texture isn't as silky as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I don't know. Like, it's not bad. I'm making it seem like it's bad. It's not bad. It's really not bad. The ends of the hair, they're kind of like, you see that? This don't. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm just trying to see, like, is it me? You know, like, yeah. I mean, she got body. Like, she definitely does move. She is thick. I will give you that. She's very, 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 very. Yo, look at my pants. Yo. I don't know about this. Let's see if that was just like from before. Maybe that was just from before. Maybe let me get this right. Okay. Maybe that was just from before. She might be done shedding. Cause that is a lot of hair on the floor. Yyong Hair. Come on now. Alright, let's move on. Let's move on. The lace, it didn't say anything in particular about the lace. It just said a lace front. It looks kind of good. I probably might not even need it, but I got some lace tint, girl. I got some lace tint. It didn't say anything about this being pre-plucked or anything, so I'm probably gonna have to pluck it like I did my last wig. This is what it looks like. I want to focus this. Can y'all see? Okay. That's what that's looking like. So, it looks okay. Let's look at the parting. Let me get my comb. Hold on. Okay. You on there, sis? Damn. Yo, this is a mad big head. Yo, it's so big, like, it feel like the wig, like, having a hard time getting over it. You know what I'm saying? But I got this wig head a couple days ago, so that when I pluck my lace, let's see how the lace looking. Well, okay, it don't look bad. Ooh, okay. Let's party. Y'all, I brought these pins with me, and I brought them for absolutely no reason. Okay, so the knots are not bleached, because I'm looking at them and they are looking pretty black. Let me use these pins, because first of all, they stabbing me. This wig might be pretty good, y'all. Like, it might be alright. I might be, I might be being a little bougie. I might be being a little bougie. Just a little bit. But hey, listen. I need myself to be right. Okay, let's come back here. Alright, we back and we better. Let's part it over here. See what we're talking about on this side. Okay, so first things first, it do got mad flyaways. Like, there's OD flyaways. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me find out she got the little. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh 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 yeah. I like this wig. She probably just need a little wash, you know what I'm saying? A little wash, a little conditioner. She gonna be alright. Okay, so we're gonna brush her and see what it do. Her ends are a little bit shabby to me. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you, shawty. Maybe she just needs some water. Okay, so this is it. This is the hair straight out the box. I didn't pluck this hair. All I did was brush it. I can't say that it's not shedding as much after I got like the initial brush in. It's not shedding as much, but she do got mad flyaways. Like, she got mad flyaways. But her part look good. Like, sis, what if I lay you down, baby? Yes! Is it soft? The hair's soft. The hair's soft. It's not rough, but it's not like that silky Brazilian. You know what I'm saying? It's not that. It don't feel like you got it from the beauty supply store, but it don't feel like that, if you know what I mean. She definitely got body though. Like, I have to give you that. I give you that, sis. Period. Let's see if it'll tangle. And you know, I'm probably gonna have to do this whole video over. You know why? Because I keep looking in the mirror. I'm gonna be at a party. Okay, let's see if she survived. Oh, hold on, hey sis. You went through a lot just now, and you held your own. I like that. Let's see how it smells. Okay.
Relax.
It doesn't smell bad. It definitely does have a smell, but it doesn't smell like factory smell or like, you know, chemical smell. It just smells like hair. Like, you know that not that hair smell. Everybody got that. Everybody know what their hair smells like. Let's look at, like, yeah, you shouldn't be able to see because it ain't thin. Sis ain't thin, honey, period. And that's one thing that you ain't gonna say, because she ain't that. Customer service was pretty okay. It was pretty okay. I'm not dissatisfied, but I'm not like, nah, like, I ain't like that. Let me put it on a little bit. I know I can't put it on, but I gotta see. I gotta see. Like, my mom gonna call me in the middle of my video. But it's alright, she ain't know. So let's just see. Let me just see something right quick. Cause I wanna see how this lace look on my skin. Hold on now. Let's put it out on my forehead some more. I know I'm gonna look crazy, but I'm trying to see how this lace glow on my skin without nothing on it, so I don't care. And I'm looking in the mirror. Cause my forehead mad big, so that's gonna be the scalp for right now. Yo, hold on. Yo, stop playing. Stop playing. Don't play with me. Play with your. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. Alright. I can't wait to wear this! Yes! I'm gonna put her back in her neck. So let me brush her. Let me give her one initial brush. One last initial brush. I sound like somebody's mom. Okay. I'm not done. I thought I was, but I'm not, because I just wanted to take time to appreciate that right there. You see that? That's what I like to see. Okay. One last initial brush. And then I'm done. I'm leaving. I'm leaving after that. I I gotta end the video after that. Let me go ahead and get my thumbnail. Alright y'all, so that pretty much concludes the rest of this video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope it wasn't like boring or nothing. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Hit the comment section below if y'all want to see any other videos that y'all want to see. Like, just let me know what you want to see and I'm gonna do it. I'm also going to be putting out a couple of more videos for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, stay blessed, stay in control of your energy, and stay in control of your awareness. Peace.